Hi, hello, I'm Hanel Raj Singhil. Today, I would like to share with all of you the major issues in online assessment and I would also provide the solutions and suggestions. So, let's move on. Okay, the first issue that I would like to discuss with all of you is that how to ensure integrity and prevent cheating. Ensuring integrity and preventing cheating can be a significant concern during online assessments. Without physical supervision, it becomes essential to implement measures that discourage dishonest behavior. So, what's the solution? All right, we need a secure browser or a proctoring solutions because it provides a controlled environment for online assessments and plays a crucial role in maintaining exam integrity. These solutions offers features such as browser lockdown, webcam monitoring, and also activity tracking. So, I'm going to recommend an online assessment platform which is known as Proctor Exam. Proctor Exam provides secure browser, webcam monitoring, activity tracking, ID verification, and also an option to record. So, how do we online proctored exam works? All right, now when you're going to use a proctoring tool, you will need to firstly scan your ID, then you need a working webcam, next you need a good internet connection, and you must make sure your environment has got proper lighting and you need privacy. And the most important thing, do not forget to study and prepare for your exam. And finally, you will need a recording tool. All right, let's watch a demo and see how it works.
Using the webcam on the student's computer, the platform can identify the exam taker and monitor during the exam for any unusual behavior. But what happens behind the computer? By adding a second camera placed behind the exam taker, the entire room is visible during the exam. This can be any smart device, like a mobile phone or a tablet. Finally, we monitor everything on the computer screen through our web browser add-on. Proctor Exam is completely web-based on any operating system. Nothing is downloaded on the computer. To get started, a quick system check will make sure the exam taker's computer is ready, that the microphone is on, the internet connection is working, screen sharing is activated, and that the app on the smart device is linked. When it's time for the exam, a step-by-step tutorial will take the exam taker through the setup process, asking them to identify themselves, show the room, including the ceiling and under the table, to make sure there's no one hiding there to help them. They'll then be asked to place the smart device behind them for the duration of the exam. Activate flight mode, turn on Wi-Fi, and plug it in. There are many ways to prop up the smart device. Be creative. The exam taker can now start the exam. When they're done, they simply click on Finish Exam, and that's it.
Alright, so that was how Proctor
Using the
Exam
web
works. Now, moving on, let's look at the second issue. So, the second issue is about providing timely and constructive feedback. In online assessments, providing timely and constructive feedback to students is crucial for their learning progress. However, delivering personalized feedback efficiently can be challenging, especially when dealing with large class sizes. Alright, so what's the solution to this? Okay, so and automated feedback tools offer a solution to the challenge of providing timely and constructive feedback in online assessments. These tools can automatically assess students' responses and generate feedback, saving instructors time and enabling students to receive immediate guidance. All right, so I'm going to recommend an online assessment tool which is known as GradeScope. So GradeScope will provide customizable rubrics, AI based grading, and also manual grading components to instructors. All right, what are the other features? GradeScope, when you use it, you can grade everything in one place in half the time. And then you can also grade all types of assessments. You don't need to alter assignments, you just need to build, administer, and grade paper based digital, and code assignments across all subject areas easily. Alright, and when you use Gradescope, you can grade anytime and anywhere. It is a seamless way to administer and grade online or in class. Now, let's watch a demo on how to use Gradescope.
Here's how it works. While using your existing assignments, students can upload their own work, or you can submit for them. This lets you grade online, wherever you are. With Gradescope, each question has its own rubric. This student's answer is correct, and grading it is as simple as applying this rubric item. The rubric stays the same for every student's answer, so you can grade fairly and quickly. Here, you can mark this as incorrect and explain why by adding a new rubric item. You then take off the desired number of points and grade the answer. Not only does the rubric evolve as you grade, every grader uses the same rubric, and every grader can change or add to it. For every new type of mistake, you add a new rubric item. You can mark multiple rubric items, and whenever you make changes to the rubric, it automatically applies those changes to the answers you've already graded. This allows for a flexible and consistent grading workflow. With Gradescope, you can actually see what mistakes students made on every question. You can download the grades to import them into your own gradebook, and you can send grades to students with just a click. Students love the detailed feedback, allowing them to understand why they missed every point. Here's how it works. While using your
Alright, so that was how Gradescope works. Now, to summarize today's presentation, I actually spoke on how to solve the two issues on online assessment. The first issue was ensuring integrity and preventing cheating, which I recommended to use Proctor exam. And the second issue was providing timely and constructive feedback, and I also recommended to use Gradescope to solve this problem. Alright, folks, thank you for listening, and I really hope you learned something today. Thank you.